welcome to our channel, my new first ever YouTube thing. As you can see my eyes, don't see the thing. Yeah, follow me. So guys, if you didn't watch yet my Infinity Gauntlet game because that auntie because that teaches you how to get the reality stone. So guys, I need help really to get the time stone and the mind stone. And then the other stones, I don't really know what the reality stones are. So if you will help me, just comment how to get the space stone and the time stone. The mind stone too. Whatever stone you can help me with. But I think this should guys really just talk about the time stone. And please don't put bad comments. This is my first ever video. Please. Because I know it's really bad and the captions are a little wrong. Yeah. So you didn't know we have actually videos that we don't post. It's called the Slapping Boys. We don't like posting them, but maybe we'll try to post a few, or maybe now. So anyways, I am a Tagalog. So kung gusto, if you want Tagalog, I can make another one na Tagalog. Pero if you want me now na mag-Tagalog, sige. Okay. Maalam na, the ones who know Philip Tagalog will understand it. I'll do the Tagalog thing what I said, okay? So sa man alam ng Tagalog ito. Kung naglalaro ka pa ng Roblox, alam mo yung Infinity Gauntlet. Sa Roblox, titits kita paano kunin yung reality na bato. First, pupunta ka pinaka side. Pwede mo na lang i-forward kung ayaw mo. Kung makita, mag-walk na lang na dahil sobrang layo. Tapos pag doon, pwede naman hindi naka-Infinity Gauntlet or pwede. Pero pag nag-block yung isa, wag mo mag-jump doon. Hindi ka pwede mag-jump doon. Tapos pag nag-jump ka doon, mauulog ka. Tapos, pag doon ka, wait for lang, pwede ka mag-jump sa second platform or some people will, pwede mo naman hintayin yung stairs pero matagal lang. Jump down ka, tapos makikita mo yung mga thing. Wait mo mag-block, tapos pumasok ka. Pag naabot mo ng stairs, takbo ka until sa middle. Ganyan lang yung paano makuha yung reality. At pwede ka mag-comment paano kuha yung mga ibang bato, like yun oras na bato. Di ko alam paano onin na tumitigas ako pag lumalapit doon sa Roblox. Pag umakyat ako, hindi ko maabot. Yun lang. Like and subscribe.